Hey YouTubers, it's Sane here. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time in this channel, welcome. In this channel we do easy DIY tutorials, and in today's tutorial we're making this long maxi dress. It is cold where I am, so the fabric that we'll be using is a knit warm fabric. I know it doesn't look like it's cold, but it does get chilly in the evenings. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And let's get right into the video, guys. Today's tutorial was inspired by this dress I saw on Pinterest. When I went to buy fabric, I saw a fabric that looks like this and I was like, yes, I'm going to recreate it. Please, on the comment section below, tell me how I did, tell me if I nailed it, tell me if I came close to it. Like I said, it is a bit cold where I am right now, so the fabric choice was the stretch knit fabric, and I love the color. Ooh, just love the color. So as you can see, it stretches in all directions actually. However, not as much as the other direction, but as you can see, it stretches amazing and the feel of the fabric is just amazing. These are the supplies we'll be using for this tutorial. The first measurements that I took were the length between my arms, or the length of my arms from one palm to the other palm. Then I folded the fabric into two. Firstly, I took the width of the fabric and folded that into 2 in half, as you can see. Then I took the length of my arm, which was 54 inches, sorry. Then folded the fabric again into half. I then cut what I needed for the top part of the fabric, which as you can see on the video. If you've come this far into the tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to advertise my video. That helps my growth, the growth of my channel. It also encourages me to do more and more for the channel. Thank you, guys. For the neckline of the dress, I made sure that I cut on the fold using 2 inches. However, I found this was actually too big because the fabric stretches. I would have loved for the neckline to be higher than what it was, but regardless, the neckline of the dress still came out beautifully, not too wide. I would have loved for it to be actually smaller. So if you don't want yours to be too wide, just make sure that you take about 1.5 inches, and then if it's too small, you can then increase it. I cut on the fold so that I don't have to have a stitch running on my shoulder down to the arm. As you can see, that it just creates a very beautiful neckline. In any ways, you don't have to sew. I won't be sewing the top part of the shoulder down to the arm. All right. If you've come this far into the video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe, because you don't want to be missing any of these easy DIY tutorials. Alright, here I think I didn't get my measurement quite right. So the top part is supposed to be like a crop top, but my top part was too long. It was too long, so here it was the first initial measurements for the top part. Then it was just too big and too long. However, I am going to create another tutorial. Actually, this top part became a very nice top, which you can wear with your leggings, which you can wear with your jeans, or even actually you can even use any other fabric to create a very nice loose top. Like I said, the top part didn't really come out the way I thought it would be. It needed to be more crop top, but hey, this top is not good, is not bad for a, you know, just a chilled vibe top. You can wear with your jeans, with your leggings if you chilled at home. So you might just want to try it out as well, just for the top part, just for the top only. I like it actually. I like how it came out. I'll try it with one of my fabrics, but let's continue with the tutorial. I went back to basics. I took a top that fits me and measured it where it comes up to for a crop top. So this is me cutting out a crop top part of the dress. I measured 10 inches going from up to the bottom. This is what I'm measuring right now. The bottom part of the dress is more like a shift dress or tight fitting or bodycon dress. So I have created a bodycon dress tutorial, so I will link up a link on the top right corner for you to check that out, how I came up with measurements. So normally I take my waist measurements, divide them by 4, but don't give the fabric or don't cut for seam allowance, then straight down to the bottom of the dress, and then I use a curved ruler. If you've come this far into the tutorial, please don't forget to leave something at the description box below. It could be an orange heart, it could be an exclamation mark, whatever it is. It could be a smiley face, whatever it is. It encourages me to interact with everyone who's watching my videos. Thank you. We have come to the end of the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. This is me actually modeling my dress. I wore it twice already. I wore it for a friend's birthday, then when I went to the park. I absolutely love it. I will definitely see you on my next tutorial.